Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Two more 5-packs that I found at Walmart in the US. A couple of days ago, I just bought them. We haven't seen them in Vancouver yet. So I'm just going to do a quick review, and I'm going to unbox one of them and just go through the vehicles real quick. I'm not going to spend too much time on this video, but give me a second while, let's just have a quick look at the boxes real quick. So this one I'm not going to open. I don't have too many of these vehicles open to compare them to, but it is a nice lineup of vehicles. It's called Coffee Cruisers number 3. Those are the licenses. They're all licensed vehicles, and there's the back. Look at that, fantastic graphics. Okay, and this one I'm going to open just because I want to get my hands on that particular vehicle. But those are the vehicles in there, and the licenses, the back. All right, give me a second while I open it, and we will do a quick unboxing of one, and we'll compare it with some existing vehicles. All right, let's start off with this particular pack. So we've seen this Mini before. It was issued earlier in 2022 as part of a Target series, Target exclusive series, and we've already opened it and seen it. So there it is, and I did do a quick comparison. They are absolutely identical. Even the red interior, the detailing, everything looks very similar. So back on this isn't detailed either, and it's the same tires. So identical vehicle. That's part of the reason why I'm not opening it. I'm actually a little sad that I opened my Target exclusive. If I knew that this was coming out, I never would have done so. Anyways, those are other minis that we've had, or that I've opened. I also have one with the Mr. Bean theme with him on a chair that I didn't pull out, but that is there somewhere in my collection. I think it was part of the UK series that Matchbox issued in 2021. And then I also have it there in red in this Christmas 5-pack that I've had for a while. Next, we look at this blue 75 Chevy Caprice. First time in that color. I've got two other versions of it, which I'll show you guys real quick. So that's from a few years ago. There's the back. That's a 2018, and then I think this one's more recent. It's in a sort of a lime green, metallic lime green with a yellowy beigey interior. I like the chrome back. It makes a big difference, and as you can see, this one also has a chrome grille and back, and you can see the difference with a plastic version. So much nicer in chrome. Third vehicle that I can add to my collection. This one I do have. That's a Corvette, convertible Corvette. As a kid, they used to have this version that was not a convertible. I used to love this car as a child, and I'm very, very happy to see them add this to the line. Later on in the 80s or maybe early 90s, they did do this convertible version as well. I can't remember if it was made in Macau or the UK, but I do have that in my collection as well somewhere. It's a really, really nice vehicle, and I think everyone's gonna like it. Look at that, beautiful. Next, we have the 35 Ford pickup, 5th version of this particular vehicle that I own. I'm just gonna quickly show you guys that. I really should open this pack, but just running out of space to store these vehicles. So I'm just trying to be really choosy about which ones I open and which ones I don't. But you sort of get the idea. And then I have, several versions of this. This is one from 2019. Here we have it in another version of green. Matchbox construction. 2018. So this one's from the truck series from last year, 2021, in red. This one says Ford Genuine Parts, red tires. Same cargo in the back in all of these. So 2020 livery on that one, and you can see the rest of the cars from that series. I have most of them. I'm missing the Subaru Samba truck, which I would love to get my hands on, and then another red version. Swap meet special. It's a very, very nice vehicle, very collectible, also from 2020. So the 5th version that I have, they're all really, really nice. I would love to display them, but I just don't have any space at this time. So down the road, I'm definitely going to open these up and put them out to display because I think they are fantastic. So there they are. And next we do have the 1968 Dodge D200. And this is the 5th version of this vehicle, or 6th version of this vehicle that I own. I was able to pull 5 of them out. So there it is, and then I'm just going to show you quickly. So it's there in that 5-pack called Off-Road Rally in orange. I do have a premium version of this vehicle that I couldn't find. Actually, I think I have 2 premium versions of this vehicle. I think I have it in orange and black. Just didn't get a chance to pull them out. So I definitely know I have 1. I might have 2. And then of course I have these 3 versions as well. So this is from a Dodge series that Walmart did in 2021. I was quite lucky to get it. It only came out once, as far as I know, in the in the Richmond Walmart. And I got that entire series. Yeah. And then it came out in black. That was the first version of it that I owned. This one's got a bit of a cracked package. That was from 2020, and then also in blue. And I think that's from 2021. Might have also been 2020 actually. Yeah, 2020 as well. There you go. That's it for that 5-pack. It's a really quick review, guys. I'm just trying to get through these real quick here. And then I already went ahead and opened this 5-pack. Let's have a quick look at the outside one more time. Give me a second while I open it up. So there it is open, and there's the package, which I'm going to put aside, and then we're going to have a quick look at these vehicles. I'm going to be really quick about it because I'm not really collecting too many of these. Just going to let it swivel for a second here. So this particular 5-pack is called City Adventures 3. I'm not sure if this is a licensed vehicle or not, but we will soon find out. It says Jungle Safari, no detailing at the front, no detailing at the rear, decent wheels. What does it say? So Malibu Marauder, which I don't think is a licensed vehicle. It's a Matchbox design, MBX on the license plate. Not my cup of tea, but not bad. All right, what do we have here? So this is the 2nd or 3rd version of this vehicle that I own. It's got a canoe on top, and this is an interchangeable part. Let's have a look here. So it's a 1959 Chevy wagon. It says Jungle Guides on the side. Plastic base, as you can see. And of course it doesn't have an interior because it's got this plastic piece. And you can see the windows all grayed out in this case, and plastic base. No detailing in the front or the back. And I think that's exactly the same vehicle. Different roof rack. And now I'm not 100% sure if that's the same roof rack that comes in the Land Rover series or not. I'm going to have to check that after the fact. Actually, no, I can check it right now because Yeah, so that's pretty exact. So it's just the same roof rack in a different color, and just to make sure it's the same vehicle. Yeah, so 69 Chevy wagon again. So I know for sure I have 2 versions of this, and I'm pretty sure there's a 3rd version somewhere. Where is it? So right there, as part of this 9-pack, it is the exclusive vehicle, which I haven't opened yet, but there it is. So it's similar in color. It's got the same interchangeable part. It's still got a canoe, different colors, different greens. So 3 versions of it. Not my favorite casting. I'm really not a fan of you know, dark and blacked out windows with no interior, but it is nice to have this interchangeable part, which you can basically, you should be able to remove, and then you can swap them around if you want. There you go. And then you can put the canoe on that, and boom, 2 completely different vehicles. I like the idea, just not my favorite vehicle. But next we're going to look at this Jeep. I have to say these Jeeps are not the sturdiest vehicles, but I do like them. There is something about them. Every time I see them, it reminds me of MacGyver, and I just keep adding them to my collection. And I've got quite a few of them. I just pulled a couple that I've opened to do a quick comparison. I'm just going to throw them on here real quick. Couldn't tell you. I think the blue version is from 2020. I'm not sure when the black one came out or where I picked it up. But let's have a look at the one we just opened. It says Anaconda Guides. Sounds quite official and scary. Look at the detailing there. Brilliant. Yeah, very, very well detailed. Love the shovels there. Kind of sort of make it out. So no front detailing on any of these. They all seem to have the side tampos and lots of detailing in the plastic and body. Fantastic. No complaints. Keep making them. They are really, really nice vehicles. And they remind me of the TV series MacGyver. So here's a vehicle we've seen many, many times. I'm not going to spend too much time on it. I've done about 3 videos on this particular vehicle. And I also have it in a 9-pack in red, which I'm going to open and show you guys. So I'm not going to spend too much time on it. I will just show you the back. But I did find out that this vehicle is different from the first version that came out. The paint on it is a flat black versus a metallic black on the first version. So there is a subtle difference, I should say, but it is quite significant when you look at it. One's a lot thinner and flatter, the other is a lot bolder and more metallic. So this is a different vehicle, and I'm always happy to add variances to my collection, especially when they're vehicles I absolutely love. The one big complaint on this particular one is that the front and back is not detailed, unfortunately. But once again, it's got that interchangeable part that I can play around with. And then finally, the highlight of the package for me is this Ford F-150 SVT Raptor. It's the 3rd version of this particular vehicle that I own. I'm just going to let it spin once. So I'll just zoom in on that so we can really see it. Look at that Anaconda. Really nice with this black and beige interior. Good set of wheels, and then of course the spare tire in the back, which is just fantastic. There's the back. Unfortunately, the Ford sign is not detailed there. You can sort of make it out, but it's in black. It would have been so much nicer if that was highlighted in silver or any color for that matter. Back's detailed. They really have put all the bells and whistles other than the missing Ford sign. You can see it there, but on the grille, but it's not detailed. At least I think it's Ford. Let's have a look at it. So that particular, there's another version of it that's from the Top Gun series, and do I have the box somewhere for that? Yes, I do. So that's from this particular 5 series that came out with the new Top Gun movie. Very nice. That's a really, really nice casting. And then I also have it in this version, which is a tribute to the Lamley channel, YouTube channel, as well as I guess the Instagram channel now. This particular version is not detailed in the back or the front, which is really sad, but it does have this fantastic tribute to the Lamley station. And I would have opened this, except I do have a version that's already open. I just couldn't find it, so I'm not gonna ruin this because it's a really nice card and good vehicle, and there's no point in having 2 open versions of it. And that's quite old. It's from 2016, so 6 years ago. Really, really well done. And then let's just have a look at all the vehicles that we just opened. What else is there? That one's got the wrong roof rack, but you guys get the idea. And then, of course, so that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. And if you liked the video, please do like it on YouTube. Have a great weekend. Thanks.